Hello and a very big warm welcome back to our channel. My name is Dylan and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can create ultra high quality stunning AI images right from the web version of Vmake using our AI image generator. Whether you're a creator, designer or marketer, finding the right visuals can take hours and stock photos rarely match your ideas. But with Vmake's AI image generator you can make anything you can imagine in just seconds. So let's jump on to how to do this. So once you're signed into Vmake, scroll down to the left hand side and select the AI image generator. On the web version, you then get two creative modes, image to image and text to image. Both are powered by AI models that you can freely choose from. On the model section, you'll see all of the different options that we can utilize to create our images. For example, Google Nano Banana, perfect for quality, GPT Image 1, which is professional and precise. Now on the text to image section, I'm going to start with this. Here I can type in absolutely anything I would like to. For example, a futuristic city at sunset. I'm going to select my model of GPT Image 1. And the reason why I selected GPT-1, it provides great cinematic detail. And I can also choose the image quality and the ratio before I start. I select generate. And just like that, it's given me a fantastic image at sunset of this city that looks futuristic. It is top tier. The new example, a cozy cafe with warm lights. I'm going to change the ratio to 1:1. I want it in HD and I want to select 3 different images and then I can have various ones to choose from. And here is a fantastic cozy cafe with warm lights. 3 slightly different variants. Now there is also image to image generation. Here you can select any product photo or portrait and use it as a base, then you can change it and transform it with a prompt. So I've just uploaded my image of a really cool car and I want to render this into a cyberpunk style. So I've typed that in, I select generate and it will begin. That looks fantastic. So it's rendered it in cyberpunk style. Holy moly. I can change the model to Flux Dev to get a different result. This is realistic and high fidelity with various styles. And there we go, once again it's given me a fantastic, unique looking car in the style that I've asked for. Now let's say I wanted to go back over to GPT-1 and I wanted to select an image of a sketch. I could then ask it to color in and fill in the sketch. Color in the sketch in various styles and I select generate and it will begin going to work. And here are my 3 images. They are absolutely fantastic. The color is so vibrant and it's given me 3 different options that I can choose between. What makes Vmake's web version powerful is flexibility. You're not just limited to one model or one output. There are various different styles, formats, adjustments you can make to ensure all of the images you generate fit your requirements for your content to help you create the best content that you can. And that is how you can create amazing AI images with Vmake. Don't forget to try out our text to image generator and our image to image AI image generator at home today. Let's see how creative you can get and be sure to have an experiment. Thank you very much for watching. Let us know what you'd like to see next and leave a like and subscribe down below. Thank you.